our friends at CAHAYA sent me this microphone boom stand. And the reason that I wanted this, right, is because this is a low profile microphone boom stand, which means that this is perfect for when you're doing a podcast and you're doing or a video podcast that you will have cameras pointed at your guest and even at yourself, because the other kind of boom stands, right, are usually the ones that you see that tower over you, so they take a lot of real estate on the screen. This one is not like that, because this one is going to be lower like that, right, over here, and the microphone is going to come up and it's going to be almost out of the camera view, which is excellent because visually it's more appealing than the traditional boom stand. I'm gonna show you what comes in the box, then I'm gonna put it together so that you see how it looks, right? I'll fast forward through that, and then you're gonna see the benefits of having this kind of boom stand versus the other boom stand that I'll maybe put a picture so you see, because there's several of those boom stands here in the studio. We have a studio here, right? And this is really nicely made. Let me show you the materials. It's cast metal. It's going to last forever. You see, this is, you can install this in any table, right? On any table, real nice. It's a clamp that you put like that, right, and tighten it, and you're gonna be able to put your microphone on that thing. So that's the first level, and then this is the main unit. Oh my God, this is really well made. You see, low profile. So I'm gonna say that the microphone goes here, right? The microphone, we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna install it first, and then I'm going to show you, right? The microphone goes here, and this goes on the base, and this will be down here, and that way, you know, you can of course play with the microphone and put it that way, but the truth is that you can put the microphone here, and I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you how cool it looks. I'm gonna be a little out of this shot because I wanted to show you how to put this together. So the first thing is to put this clamp securely on the table that you're using. Now, there's two ways of setting this up. The set comes with this extension so that you can put it up here, right there, and then you set this up here, and now you have a way to put your microphone up in a way that is up this way, right? Or up that way if you want to sing, right? Like, let's say you're a singer, you want to stand up, then now you have this way. You see, you can, and the microphone can do many things. So this would be like a standard microphone stand, right? But it would be in a way, and I prefer not to have that. So how am I going to set it up? This is so much nicer. I take this extension out and I lower the profile, and now the microphone is right here. You see, I could lower it. This is the front of the microphone, and I could have it up here, right? And it's low profile, you see, because it's out of the way. It's not going to be in the screen. And then if I move the camera up, all you're going to see is, you know, it'll be different. All you're going to see is maybe the bottom part of the microphone, right? I could put it up here, right there, and it's not out of the way like usually the other boom stands that are gonna tower over the picture, right? If you set up the shot differently, right? You can set up the shot differently. I gotta be very careful because this is a very expensive microphone. If you you can set up the picture here so that you can see barely the microphone, but it's going to be there. You see? So this low profile boom stand is perfect, right? You can do so many things with it, right? And the best part of it is this is reliable, really well made out of cast metal, right? And you will be able to trust your your microphones. That microphones can be fragile and can be expensive, either, right? If you put, as I have here, this speaking microphone, or this Neumann that I have here, right? You need to be very careful, right, where you set up your microphones, because they can be very expensive. So that's why it's so important that you get a really reliable, really strong and well made microphone stand. You see, this is such good quality and workmanship, and everything's been taken care of. You can buy it and be assured that you can trust this. This comes with an Allen wrench set, so that once you set it up, you can tighten it really nice. It comes in the box. The Allen wrenches come with it in the box, and basically you set it up once, set up the shot, so it's the microphone is here, and then that's it. So thank you for the guys at CAHAYA for sending this to me, so that I can review it, and this is going to be a permanent part of this studio. Super recommended.